When it comes to German luxury cars, few debates get enthusiasts heated like the argument over which brand is truly the most reliable: BMW, Mercedes-Benz, or Audi. Three automotive giants whose reputations have been built on engineering excellence, prestige, and cutting-edge technology, yet also complicated by the fact that luxury cars often carry higher maintenance requirements than their mainstream counterparts. Reliability in this context isn't just about how long a car lasts. It's about long-term durability, cost of ownership, frequency of repairs, parts longevity, electronic stability, engine robustness, and how well the car ages after years of real-world use. So to understand the truth, you must peel back not just the marketing but decades of engineering evolution from each brand. BMW, long branded as the ultimate driving machine, has historically focused on performance-oriented engineering, balanced chassis setups, precise steering, and engines tuned for excitement more than simplicity. Yet this pursuit of dynamic excellence sometimes comes at the cost of long-term durability, especially in models from the early and mid-2000s when BMW's ambitious technology curve pushed out systems like Vanos and Valvetronic that boosted performance but introduced more potential failure points as the vehicles aged. Many mechanics will tell you that older BMWs, especially naturally aspirated inline-six models like the legendary M52 and M54, were rock solid, sometimes crossing 300,000 miles with good maintenance. But as the brand shifted heavily toward turbocharging, electronics integration, and luxury add-ons, the maintenance requirements increased significantly. The N24-cylinder timing chain issue and the N54/N55 turbo wastegate problems became notorious examples of how performance-driven engineering can occasionally collide with reliability concerns. Although BMW has improved these issues in more recent models through better materials, engineering redesigns, and stricter quality controls. Still, in 2025, BMW sits in a unique place. Highly reliable when properly maintained, potentially expensive when neglected, and heavily dependent on owners who keep up with routine care, meaning the brand rewards enthusiasts more than casual just-drive-it owners. Meanwhile, Mercedes-Benz has carved out a reputation centered on durability and long-term structural reliability, especially in its older platforms like the W124, W201, and W140. Vehicles often described as over-engineered tanks, built during an era when Mercedes prioritized longevity above profit margins. Those cars regularly run for decades with minimal serious issues, fueling the legend that Mercedes is the most durable German brand ever made. However, as the company entered the 2000s and early 2010s, the push for modern electronics, lighter materials, and more luxurious interiors introduced a wave of electrical issues, sensor failures, and module malfunctions that slightly dented its bulletproof reputation. Even so, Mercedes powertrains, particularly their diesel engines and V6/V8 gasoline units, remained incredibly strong, often outlasting the vehicle's electronic systems. In today's models, Mercedes has done substantial work to restore its reliability ranking, focusing on improving component quality, simplifying certain systems, and modernizing platforms like the M254 four-cylinder and OM656 inline-six diesel, which have proven to be impressively durable. Although Mercedes vehicles are generally more expensive to maintain overall, many owners report fewer major mechanical breakdowns compared to some BMW and Audi models. In fleets, taxis, and commercial use around the world, especially in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, Mercedes still remains the go-to brand when long-term reliability matters, showing that the brand's core engineering DNA remains strong even as luxury features grow more complex. Then there is Audi, the brand often seen as the most technologically advanced of the trio, with its famous Quattro all-wheel drive system, futuristic interiors, and sophisticated design language. However, Audi's reliability reputation has historically been the most mixed. Audi vehicles tend to age differently from BMWs and Mercedes, not necessarily suffering catastrophic mechanical failures, but instead accumulating numerous small issues involving sensors, electronics, plastic components, turbochargers, and sometimes carbon buildup on direct injection engines. The brand's heavy reliance on advanced electrical systems and turbocharged powertrains means maintenance costs can add up quickly, and certain engines, like early versions of the 2.0 TFSI, suffered from widespread oil consumption problems that created long-term challenges for owners. That being said, Audi has dramatically improved its reliability in the past decade, with newer engines like the EA888 Gen 3 and modern S-tronic gearboxes performing far more consistently than their predecessors. Audi interiors tend to hold up extremely well, arguably better than BMW and on par with Mercedes. Yet mechanical and electrical complexity still means the brand is more sensitive to neglected maintenance than many of its rivals. Where Audi shines, however, is in drivetrain reliability. Its Quattro system is often considered the most durable AWD system in the luxury segment, making the brand a favorite in colder regions and mountain climates. In 2025, Audi stands somewhere between BMW and Mercedes, more reliable than its older reputation suggests, but still not quite as consistently dependable as Mercedes over long ownership periods. When comparing long-term ownership costs, Mercedes typically ranks as the most expensive overall, especially if repairs extend into major electronic modules or air suspension systems found in models like the S-Class or GL/GLS SUVs. BMW follows close behind, with repairs often tied to engine components, cooling systems, and turbocharging systems. Audi tends to land in the middle when issues are minor but quickly climbs in cost when electrical systems or Quattro components require service. Independent mechanics sometimes prefer working on BMWs due to their more modular engine layouts, while Mercedes engines, though larger and sometimes more complex, tend to require fewer unscheduled repairs. Audi vehicles, due to packaging constraints and tightly integrated electronics, are often considered the most labor-intensive to repair, increasing service costs even when replacing simple components. So if reliability is defined as cheapest to own over a decade, Mercedes usually loses due to high luxury part costs. BMW suffers when turbo engines age, and Audi can surprise owners with unpredictable electrical repairs. If we examine engine reliability alone, Mercedes frequently comes out on top. Its inline-six engines, V6s, and diesels often run for astonishing mileages with minimal major issues. BMW's best engines are also exceptional, especially the older naturally aspirated ones, though its aggressive move toward turbocharging introduced more variables. Audi's engines, particularly the turbo four-cylinders, perform well when maintained, but they are the most sensitive to skipped oil changes or improper care. In modern reliability rankings from consumer surveys, BMW often scores the highest among the three, mostly due to improvements in build quality and decreased failure rates in newer models. Mercedes usually ranks second but plays a long game, with many of its cars lasting the longest in real-world mileage tests. Audi tends to rank slightly lower due to electrical complaints, though newer models are steadily improving and closing the gap. So, which brand is most reliable overall? The truth depends on how you define reliability. If you want the longest-lasting engines and structural durability, Mercedes likely wins. If you want sporty reliability with modern improvements, BMW comes out ahead. If you want advanced tech and great all-wheel drive reliability, Audi leads that category. Across thousands of owner reports, mechanic insights, and long-term reliability studies, the most balanced conclusion is this: Mercedes is the most durable, BMW is the most improved and consistent, and Audi, while sometimes the least reliable, offers exceptional performance when properly maintained. Ultimately, The most reliable German luxury car is the one that has been well cared for, because no matter which badge sits on the hood, skipping maintenance can turn any of these engineering masterpieces into a nightmare.